Okay, for the next experiment test, I'm using the SPL meter. Magic. I know you like vacuum cleaning. Come on. You're curious. So he doesn't like it. Come on. Okay. I've been watching this film where this guy gets sucked into a 747 engine. I know that's a lot of thrust. You know, each engine's a lot of thrust. That's thousands of pounds of thrust. Come on, Magic. So I need to set it maybe to 100 dB. That's the fan, or the suction off axis. So it's really close, 100 dB. Okay, I'll set it to a higher level, 120. That is damn loud. Obviously, if I placed it over the microphone, I'd have to recalibrate that down a bit, you know. I'd have to recalibrate that down. Probably it'd be up to 140, I would imagine. Yeah, that's pretty scary, that, actually. Yeah. I mean, a sub-bass speaker sucking you in, rather than blowing you over the room, but sucking you in, you know, drawing you towards it. In the, oh, well, I'll play the scene in another video, but I think it would just be a bit too far-fetched. It'd take far too much energy. Gigantic sub-bass ports. I mean, gigantic.